For years, regulators said no to derivative, to perpetuals, to round-the-clock crypto trading. This week, in a span of 48 hours, every single one of those walls came down. This isn't a headline. This is a structural shift. And if you hold XRP, you need to understand exactly what just changed. Let's start with something that sounds simple, but is actually massive. CME Group just launched 24/7 crypto futures trading. That includes XRP futures. Round the clock, no weekends, no gaps, always open. Now I know what some of you are thinking. We already knew crypto never sleeps. What's the big deal? Here's the deal. CME Group is not a crypto exchange. CME Group is the largest regulated derivatives exchange on the planet. We're talking about the institution that handles futures contracts on oil, gold, interest rates, currencies, the backbone of global financial markets. When CME does something, traditional finance listens. And for years, literally years, there was a frustrating disconnect. Crypto traded 24/7, but CME's futures market closed on weekends. That gap, the CME gap, became one of the most talked about patterns in crypto trading. Prices would move on Saturday and Sunday with no institutional counterweight. Then Monday morning would arrive and futures would snap back, often violently. That gap is now gone. CME confirmed XRP futures, micro XRP futures, and around-the-clock access for institutional players who previously had to sit on their hands every weekend. Their crypto products have already generated over $3 trillion in notional trading volume. And now that market never closes. But here's the deeper point I want you to sit with. This isn't just about convenience. This is about institutions removing their last excuse for not engaging with crypto around the clock. The barrier was regulatory and structural, not interest. And now the barrier is gone. But CME going 24/7 is only part of the story. What the CFTC just did in Washington this week, that's a completely different level. And it directly connects to something XRP holders have been waiting on for a long time. Stay with me. The CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, is the regulatory body that oversees derivatives in the United States. Not stocks, derivatives, futures, options, perpetual contracts, the instruments that make up the largest financial market in the world. And this week, they did something historic. The CFTC approved Bitcoin perpetual futures contracts